Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust the volume on your laptop and even increase it beyond its default level using a simple trick on Windows. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or just trying to get louder sound without external speakers, this method will help you out. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Control Panel. The first step is to access the sound settings through the control panel. Here's how to do it. Click on the search icon in the taskbar. Type Control Panel in the search bar and select the Control Panel app when it appears. Once the control panel opens, you'll see a lot of options. Make sure to change the view by setting in the top right corner to large icons for easier navigation. Step 2. Access the sound settings. Now, we're going to dive into the sound settings. Follow these steps. In the control panel, look for the sound option and click on it. A new window will open, displaying your audio devices. Here, you'll see your laptop's speakers listed. Select the device labeled Speakers, and then click on Properties to open its settings. Step 3. Enable Loudness Equalization. This next step is where the magic happens. We'll use an enhancement called Loudness Equalization to boost your laptop's speaker volume. Here's what to do. In the Speaker Properties window, click on the Enhancements tab. If you don't see the Enhancements tab, you might need to update your speaker drivers. But if it's there, let's move on. This feature adjusts the audio levels and increases the overall volume by up to 25%. You can test it by unchecking and rechecking the box while clicking the Preview button. Step 4. Save and enjoy enhanced volume. Once you're satisfied with the sound level, here's how to finalize the settings. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Close the sound settings and the control panel. Now you're all set. Enjoy watching movies or listening to music with your laptop's boosted volume. If you're still not hearing any difference, try these quick troubleshooting steps. Ensure your laptop's audio drivers are up to date. You can do this by searching for Device Manager, expanding sound, video, and game controllers, and updating the driver for your audio device. If loudness equalization isn't available, check if your audio device supports it, or consider installing additional audio software for more control. So that's how you can adjust and increase the volume of your laptop speakers on Windows. We covered how to access the sound settings, enable the loudness equalization feature, and save the changes to enjoy enhanced audio. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.